Aloha, this is Answers to Frequently Asked Questions about the Tax-Free Cash Growth Warehouse, brought to you by SCFSIC.
This frequently asked question is, how often do I have to pay premiums? The providers we use to create tax-free cash growth warehouse contracts will allow for customization in just about every aspect of the contract. That includes the mode of premium deposits. Most clients prefer to make their premium deposits monthly. Others prefer to deposit to their accounts annually. The main benefit to paying once a year is that all that deposit is available to leverage right away rather than having to wait for it to accumulate. The option to make your premium deposit every 3 months or once every 6 months is also available. So the answer to how often premium deposits have to be made depends on how the contract is set up. You can set it up to pay annually, semi-annually, quarterly, or monthly. Additionally, the payment mode may be changed. So if you set up the account to pay monthly, then later you decide it would be better to pay annually or any other mode, such as semi-annually or quarterly, that can be done. When you become a client of ours, we are happy to arrange to make any changes in your account like this for you if you want us to. If you haven't already, please click on the link below this video in the description box and watch the TFCGW webinar, Become Master of Your Financial World. And subscribe to this channel. That way you'll be notified when we add more fax answers and other content.